Hello and welcome to MHT. The common everyday items we have in our kitchen can offer many benefits we are unaware of. On this channel, we share easy-to-use and effective tips using common household items to improve your health and beauty.
In today's video, we are going to share the benefits of turmeric. We will be sharing some easy-to-use and effective tips to use turmeric to improve your beauty. Please watch this video till the end to know about all these tips. Turmeric has long been used as an anti-inflammatory agent, and recent research has shown that it can be helpful in treating conditions such as arthritis, Crohn's disease, and ulcerative colitis. It is also a powerful antioxidant, which means it can help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Turmeric paste for joint pain. You will need turmeric 1 tablespoon, garlic to cloves, honey 1 tablespoon. Turmeric has potent anti-inflammatory properties and it can be used to reduce pain in case of rheumatoid arthritis. Mix all ingredients to make a paste. Apply this paste over the area that hurts. Leave it on for 20 minutes and then scrap off gently. Repeat this 2-3 times in a week. Due to its properties, turmeric is an excellent choice as a first aid material. If you have kids, you should have this spice at home as a first aid for small injuries they might get from playing. Turmeric for first aid. You just need a small amount of turmeric, mustard or olive oil and lime powder. Mix all the ingredients and heat on a low flame. Apply the lukewarm paste over the hurt area. This paste also has antibacterial properties. It not only helps to reduce the pain, but also protects from infections. Turmeric has also been shown to boost brain function, improve digestion, and even help fight cancer. When ingested, it can help to detoxify the liver. It can also help to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Energy boosting turmeric drink. This yellow spice helps to increase energy levels and reduce the Monday blues. If you are feeling low, you should definitely try this quick drink made with turmeric to lift up your spirits. You will need turmeric 1 teaspoon, a hint of black pepper, honey, lime. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric in cold water along with a pinch of black pepper, some honey, and a generous squeeze of lime. To make the most out of its health benefit, you must pair it with a small dose of pepper. Pepper facilitates the absorption of turmeric by our body. The versatile spice is also a popular ingredient in many beauty products, especially in the Indian subcontinent. Turmeric toothpaste for pearly white teeth. You can also use this spice to get bright and pearly white teeth. You will need olive or coconut oil, crushed fresh turmeric root. Use a mix of olive or coconut oil and crushed fresh turmeric root to make a paste. Use this paste to clean your teeth at least thrice a week and notice the difference. Topical application of turmeric can also help to soothe skin conditions such as eczema, psoriasis, and acne. It can also help to reduce the appearance of scars and stretch marks. When used as a facial mask, it can help to brighten the skin and give it a healthy glow. Turmeric face mask for dry skin. You will need turmeric powder small amount, milk 1 teaspoon, honey 1 teaspoon. Mix the turmeric powder, milk and honey in a bowl. Apply this on your face and let it sit for 10 minutes. Rinse off and moisturize. This face pack is a very good option for dry skin. Honey soothes the skin and moisturizes it while milk nourishes it and works on concerns such as tan and pigmentation. Turmeric face mask for acne treatment. Turmeric is known for its super antibacterial properties and helps you get clear skin. You will need turmeric ¼ teaspoon, aloe vera gel 1 tablespoon. For acne-prone skin, apply a paste of aloe vera and turmeric on the affected area. Leave it on for 15 minutes and then wash off. Use this pack at least 3-4 times a week to see results. Turmeric is also known for its ability to boost collagen production, making it an excellent anti-aging ingredient. It can help to improve the elasticity of the skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Anti-aging turmeric mask for oily skin. This is another great face pack for oily and acne-prone skin. It also helps to reduce the aging effect on the skin. You will need mint leaves 5 or 6, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, water 1 tablespoon. Mint is extremely soothing in nature as it works on acne. Along with turmeric, it clears up the skin. Mash the mint leaves and add water to make a paste. Add some turmeric powder to the paste. Apply and let it sit until dry. Rinse off and moisturize. Turmeric is also effective in improving hair and scalp health and may help treat scalp issues like dandruff, psoriasis, and mild acne. The curcumin in this spice helps in the development of blood vessels, which in turn may improve blood circulation and stimulate hair growth. Turmeric hair growth mask. You will need eggs 2, honey 2 tablespoons, turmeric 2 tablespoons. Mix the eggs, honey, and turmeric in a bowl. Apply the blend to your hair thoroughly. Leave it on for about 30 minutes. Wash it off with some warm water and regular shampoo. You may use this mask once a week. This mask provides protein to stimulate hair growth and also protects the hair from dandruff and the associated hair loss. Do not leave this mask on hair for too long as it may harden and pull out hair strands. There is no doubt that it is a powerful and versatile spice with a host of health and beauty benefits. However, care should be taken as it may induce allergic reactions or itching in some people. We hope that you liked today's video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss on these wonderful natural remedies.